All right, quick video today, guys. I need those of you that are subscribed to me on YouTube to let me know if you're seeing this. So I had a subscriber send me this, which is a screenshot of what they're seeing on their smartphone showing one of my videos. I don't do ads on my channel. You guys should have never seen any ad pop up on any of my videos ever. I've never had ads enabled on my channel. I don't want any ads interrupting my videos for you. But this subscriber let me know that there are all these little, you can see these yellow knobs in the middle of my video, which is usually indicating that there's going to be an ad showing up. Now, I don't know about you guys, but myself personally, when I want to watch a video and I see this many ads on a 12-minute video, I'm out of there. Like, I don't want to watch a video that has that many ads crammed into one video. So it seems like an error. It seems like it's just sort of a problem with YouTube's, I don't know, functionality or something like that. But I want to make sure that maybe this is hopefully just a one-off isolated thing happening. I hope there's not a lot of you that are clicking on my videos and seeing that there might be a bunch of ads on it, because like I said, I don't have any ads enabled. And also, if you've ever seen an ad pop up either before, after, during any of my videos, also let me know. I want to make sure that no ads are going onto my videos, because I'm certainly not collecting any income from them. I'm not enabling them on my channel. So I want to make sure that they're not being like snuck into any of my videos or something like that. So I'm hoping this is just like kind of a one-off weird thing that's just going on here. But please, if you guys have seen this, the best thing to do is just send me a screenshot when you do see it. Just jesse@syncmymusic.com. If you could send that to me, that'd be awesome. Or just comment below, let me know that you've seen it, because I want to definitely reach out to YouTube and find out why this is happening on my channel. I certainly don't want to be turning people off thinking that I'm up there trying to get 12 ads in a 12-minute video. I mean, it is kind of a big turnoff for a new subscriber or somebody who's stumbling across my channel. So thank you guys so much for helping me out with this.